Good morning, guys. So, my cat is somewhat eating, drinking a little bit. It will take a couple days for his antibiotics to kick in. So I'm having a 0 Point coffee. It just has a flavored K-Cup, which is a sugar cookie because I have lots of those from Christmas time. And that concoction that I make, it's mostly unsweetened vanilla cashew milk, which I know is not Simply Filling, but with the amount that I use, I only use maybe less than 1/4 of a cup, is 0 Points. And I also put 3 tablespoons in the whole container, and the container is very big. I don't know how many ounces, but anyways, I put 3 tablespoons of Coffee Mate sugar-free sweet Italian cream in there, and then I put some flavored syrup, and then I shake it up, and then I use it for like 3 days. So it is 0. And that's not on just 3 cups of coffee. That's on like 5 or 6 cups of coffee, because I usually have more than 1 cup of coffee a day. I'm gonna have this yogurt for breakfast. This has been like my favorite flavor, and it says limited edition, so I'd really like to get it as much as I can. Yeah, so what I've decided to do is I'm going to eat yogurt before, because usually how my day goes is I take my youngest son to school, and I don't want to have to come right back because I usually go and either do errands or whatever I need to do. But I'm usually not super hungry in the morning. But by the time, 10 o'clock comes, I'm hungry. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start having yogurt in the morning, which is Simply Filling, and I'm going to top it with a little bit of Cheerios Simply Filling. And then when I come home, I'll probably have my eggs and whatever, either potatoes or, although I could have just probably had the potatoes by themselves yesterday, but eggs have protein. So I'll probably just have my eggs and like a light English muffin or whatever it is for, I sound like a hobbit, like second breakfast. Anyways, I'm kind of doing my snack, backwards, I guess is what I would think, instead of just doing breakfast and snack. So, anyways, I'm going to have this for breakfast right now. And then, like I said, probably around 10 o'clock I will have eggs and a light English muffin, should I be hungry. Alright, so I'm going to go enjoy my coffee and keep on watching my kitty.
Okay, so this is breakfast. It is probably 3/4 of a cup of the egg beaters, which is Simply Filling. I usually use half a cup, but I was almost at the end, so I just used the rest. It's got mushrooms, bell peppers, and like 8 pieces of potato, maybe. And this is a piece of the Velveeta Queso Blanco. I was gonna get the jalapeno cheese, but it was 2 per slice. I can't find fat-free cheese like that anywhere, so I got this one. This was 1 point per slice. So this is breakfast. I'm going to use some of this, which is Simply Filling, some of this, Simply Filling, and that is going to be breakfast. So I'm going to go.
Alright, so I'm just folding laundry and taking care of my cat. I was gonna go see a movie today, but my mom kind of bailed on me, so I didn't end up going, and I decided I guess I should probably do my laundry instead. When I was at Walmart, I did pick up one of these sparkling ice strawberry watermelon because Melody made it look so good. So, Simply Filling or 0 Smart Points. Also got one of my favorite vitamin water zeros. Tastes just like lemonade. I also impulse buy this rose gold double insulated cup. Love it. It's very pretty. I'm sure it'll get scratched up, but it was like $8. Where is it? It's 20 ounces. I always need big cups because 12 ounces of coffee, I'm sorry, it's just not enough for me. It's called Silver Buffalo Special Edition. Keeps hot up to 4 hours and keeps cold up to 18 hours. Either way, and it's a double wall. Like I said, it's a... I don't know, I put stickers over this part. What does it say? Copper clad double wall vacuum insulation, shatterproof, etc., etc. But they had some like really bright colors, and they had white. I was tempted by the white too, but I saw the rose gold and knew I had to have one because I've gone past them every time, but this time I had to have it. So you know me and my cups. I mean, I've got drawers full of cups. So anyways, had to have that. Lunch, I think, is going to be, since I'm not going to the movies, it's going to be probably one of the burritos that I made earlier with the Extreme Wellness wrap. What else did I put in there? Refried beans, fat-free cheese. I'm trying to think if I put vegetables in there. I might have put some peppers. Anyways, maybe corn? I don't know. I don't know what I put in there now that I'm thinking about it. And oh, I put quinoa in there. So anyways, those are Simply Filling. And I will probably have it with some salsa and some... My brain's not working today. Some fat-free sour cream, which is Simply Filling. And I might have two. They're kind of small, so I might have two. I did buy a lot of Greek Dan and Light and Fit yogurt. I bought a lot more of that because I was going through it so fast. So I don't know, maybe I'll have a yogurt too. I don't know. I'll probably end up having just two of those just because I've got so many of them and I know I need to eat them or freeze them, and I really don't want to freeze them because I'm not sure how well they're going to turn out. Dinner, on the other hand, I do know is going to be like a faux chipotle bowl. I'm gonna make some brown rice and make it like the lime cilantro rice, and on some lettuce. I don't have any cheese though, so I might have to use another one of those Velveeta Queso Blanco cheeses and just kind of tear it up into, or maybe I'll just put it on the, maybe I'll warm my meat up because I've got some pork loin, and I have it in the crock pot right now with some taco seasoning, and that's Simply Filling. So maybe that's what I'll do. I'll just put it on top of the meat while it's warm, and then I'll probably have refried beans in there or black beans, because I might make the rice actually with like black beans and lime and cilantro and some corn. So that's dinner, but I will show you lunch.
Laundry. So here is I accidentally set my I'm a ding dong, my baking pan on top of a hot burner, so it burnt some of them. But anyways, homemade tortilla chips Simply Filling, fat-free sour cream Simply Filling, salsa Simply Filling, jalapeno Simply Filling. These are my Simply Filling little burritos. I mean, they are pretty small if you look at them. I don't know, it's cut in half, but quinoa, onion, refried beans, cheese, and that would be what's in there. So 100% Simply Filling.
And yes, it's one of those days. More coffee. 0 points. Much needed. And look at my hair. Oh my gosh, my hair. So my meat turned out good. I haven't tasted it, but it looks really good. It smells really good. So I will be showing you a faux chipotle bowl for dinner. But I'm not hungry right now, which is really weird because this is like the time that I'm normally hungry. I really don't like eating past a certain time, but I think I'm gonna have to today. I'm gonna wait an hour and a half. It's 4:30 right now. I'm a really early eater, so gonna wait an hour and a half and see where I am. And I may just have like a tiny bowl or something because I just can't right now. At the moment, I don't feel super hungry. Okay, so I am awful at building things because they always end up being gigantic. So this is one smart point. Everything else is simply filling. The one smart point is for this piece of cheese right here because I don't have any fat-free cheese. So in this, it's like a faux chipotle bowl. I have brown rice that is like a cilantro lime rice with black beans, some corn, lettuce, fat-free sour cream, salsa. Oh, and I have some pork, taco pork that I made that is simply filling. I made these chips because these are homemade chips out of the low-fat tortillas. I sprinkled them with this. It's called True Lime, and it's crystallized lime. And there's 0 calories and 0 sugar, so it is 0 smart points, but it makes them taste kind of like the Chipotle chips that are really good. So anyways, I dusted them with that. And I'm going to go enjoy my actual dinner instead of just yogurt that I've been having. Sorry for the light, but the food was yummy. I did not eat it all. And stopped when I was full. It's like almost 7 o'clock, so if I get snacky around 8 o'clock, I might have a yogurt or some clementines, but that's it. But I'm going to close my vlog here and upload it just to get it done and actually show you guys that I actually had a real day of food for once. And managed to keep all the Drama Llama stuff out pretty much, except for just updating you on Monkey. So I had 2 smart points out of my weeklies for the 2 pieces of cheese that I had today. And then I drank all my water and got everything done. I did all of my activity. I've done all my activity every single day. I did it most every day in the month of January or February, but I had like 3 days that I missed, so I didn't get the full month of activity things, so that's what I'm really striving for. Tomorrow I'm going to do attempt to do a core workout again on my stability ball. I just really hope it doesn't hurt like it did last time, because it really hurt. I'm going to use some weights and stuff, so I'm going to do that tomorrow. So yeah, 2 points eaten today, and everything else was simply filling. So, feeling good. I will talk to you guys tomorrow.